2025.
School year yun, SY.
School year.
Ali. Ang hirap mong i-interview. Nakakainis ka. I-interviewin ko lang.
Oh! Ano ito? Book?
Oh, ano yan?
Ba't may ganito ka? AJ M. Cabrera.
Oh.
Certificate of Recognition, EJ Cabrera, 7 lovable. For his here outstanding academic performance for the third quarter SY 2025.
School year yun, SY.
School year.
SY.
Given this
22nd of February.
February 2025 at Nagpayong High School, Central to Nagpayong Pinagbuhatan, Pasig City.
Wow!
Oh, ano yan?
With honor! With honor! 90%! Wow! Nakasungkit yung anak mo ah! Child na last. Wow! Anak mo ah! Hindi mo man lang sinasabi sa amin ni mama to. Hindi mo man lang sinasabi sa amin ni mama to.
Ay, paano mo nalaman?
Ito talaga.
Ba't di mo sinabi?
Hindi mo sinasabi.
Kung kailan nag-book.
Ah.
Nagbuklat lang ako, kaya ako nakita yan eh. Hindi mo lang sinasabi.
Hindi mo sinasabi to.
Ano?
Ha?
O, di wala nang palo.
Wala nang palo, guys. Wala nang palo yung anak natin. Si unti-unting ano. Okay.
Ngayon, matanda na mo eh.
Now, you are going to big, ano na, big man, big strong. Yeah. You are going to, ano na,
Teenager.
teenager. So, Papa, change mood na.
Ikaw nagdi-discipline.
Discipline with, ano, action, physical attack. Pak, pak, pak. Papa, change mood na. Na hindi ka na laging papaluin, hindi ka na...
Bakit kinapalo mo?
Abayo! Kasi, this part of discipline.
Ah.
Do you remember? Me, Mama always, nagagalit sa'yo because you are pasaway. But now, you are going teenager na, so, Papa and Mama change mood na. No? Understand? Change mood na. Si Mama and Papa. So now, you have a problem, you are pasaway, you are pasaway. Mama and Papa giving suggest for you not napalo kasi ikaw ay matanda na. Di ba, Mama? Di ba? Di ba? Matanda na yung anak mo kaya discipline with action, physical attack. Pak, pak, pak.
Paano?
Physical attack. Pak, pak, pak.
Wala nang ganon.
Wala nang ganon. So, Papa, I guide you. Papa and Mama, guide na lang, i-guide ka na lang. Without palo na. Pak, pak, pak. Wala nang palo. Okay? To be a man or to be a
Good
teenager,
person.
to be a who you are. Because you're going to teenager na. Di ba, Mama? So, Mama and Papa change mood na. Hindi na magpapalo-palo. No? So, ikaw na lang ay bibigyan namin ng suggest.
Pagsasabihan
na lang kasi ikaw ay going to teenager na. Ha?
No more ano na?
No more palo na. Ha? After your birthday, ano na?
How old?
How old you na?
Ngayon, 13 ka na kaagad?
Coming March.
Oh, ngayon, ilang taong ka na? 12, oh. Ngayong darating na linggo, ilang taong ka na? Ha?
13. 13. So,
Teenager na.
teenager na. After your birthday, that's it. Pansit. Wala nang palo-palo. Pak, 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 pak. Wala nang palo-palo. So, mama and papa always guiding you na lang. Tapos, giving suggestion to how to
Be a man.
to be a man or to be a
Good
teenager.
person.
To be a who you are.
Bakit may ganon? Bakit may ganon?
Because EJ is going to teenager na. So,
Oh.
mama and papa.
Pag teenager na, crush agad?
Ayan, yes. Di ba?
May crush ka na baga?
Kaya, yun na lang ang gagawin ni mama at ni papa. Wala nang palo-palo after your finish your birthday because you are going na.
Bakit kailan ba ang birthday?
Ay, yung March, 2.
O kailan yun?
Ay, yung Sabado ba yun? Linggo. Linggo.
Malapit na pala.
Linggo. So, papa, mama, change mood na, hindi na magpalo-palo. Ha? Wala nang pak-pak-pak. Ganon.
Bakit lagi pagpalo may ganon sound effect?
Wala nang physical attack. Okay? Yo, pag ano, you remind me. I promise. Diba?
Oh.
You remind me. You promise, no palo-palo na. Pak-pak-pak. Wala nang ganon. You talk me na. Okay. Okay?
Okay? Okay daw?
Malinaw? Okay?
Okay daw?
But,
May bat pa.
yung gawin yung pag-aaral. Focus your study.
And,
After your graduate, you create the business or no? Huwag mong itatanim sa iyong isip na ikaw ay magiging employer. Okay?
employee.
Employee. Itanim mo sa iyong isip, ikaw ay magiging businessman. And then, you create a small business. And then, okay, mama and papa is happy for that.
Always.
Always
Support.
mama and papa. Okay? Okay?
Oh, naintindihan mo? Tawa ka lang dyan ng tawa?
Papa, mama, after your graduate, you finish study, mama and papa support your dream. Mama and papa gagawin lahat para maibigay yung magiging gusto mong business. So mama and papa ay saving money for your future. Then after saving money, I give you money and you create the business. Okay? You understand me? You understand me? Huh? Huh? Okay. Okay, good. That's it, Pansit. With honor! With honor!